I'm done filling a cup with a hole in the bottom. I'm taking an axe to the tree. I'm done filling a cup with a hole in the bottom. I'm taking an axe to the tree. The rot at the roots is the root of the problem, but you wanna blame it on me. I hung around longer than anyone should. You've broken my heart more than anyone could. Trying to stop me won't do you no good. I've already planted the seeds. Ooh, do you hear that? It's the sound of a new wind blowing. Ooh, do you feel that? Heart letting go of the way it's been holding. I've made miracles in the shadows, but now that I'm out in the sun, I'll never stop growing wherever I'm going. Hope I'm not the only one. I'm done filling a cup with a hole in the bottom and screaming the truth to a liar. Spent 10,000 hours trying to fight it with flowers, and the tree was already on fire. Yeah, the tree was already on fire. Ooh, do you hear that? It's the sound of a new wind blowing. Ooh, do you feel that? Heart letting go of the way it's been holding. I've made miracles in the shadows, but now that I'm out in the sun, I'll never stop growing wherever I'm going. Hope I'm not the only one. Ooh, do you see that? It's the light of a better day dawning. Ooh, do you hear that? It's the sound of a tree falling. Ooh, do you hear that? It's the sound of a new wind blowing. Ooh, do you feel that? Heart letting go of the way it's been holding. I made miracles in the shadows, but now that I'm out in the sun, I'll never stop growing wherever I'm going. Hope I'm not the only one. Hope I'm not the only one. Hope I'm not the only one.
This dance is called the tree. Choreographed by Maddison It's a 16 count, 4-wall, intermediate level, rolling count, line dance. There are 3 restarts with a tag in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Step right foot to the right side and sway hip to right, sway hip to left. Cross side behind, forward with a sweep. Gradually make a quarter turn left. Cross side behind, forward with a sweep. Repeat this step and make a quarter turn left. Cross side behind, forward with a sweep. Make it the arc. Cross side and drag your right heel together, cross side. Section 2, left foot, sailor step, behind, quarter turn left, stepping forward, step forward, pivot half turn left and bend your knee, half turn right and sweep your left foot, forward and drag your right foot, forward, side rock, recover, weave, cross, side, behind. Last step, now is the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and Last count. Now let me show you the restart in this dance. The first restart happen wall 5, you'll be facing front wall. Do 2 count, then restart the dance. 1, 2, restart. 1, 2. The second restart happen wall 7, you'll be facing 3 o'clock. Again, do the first 2 count. 1, 2. Then do the last 2 count. Forward, side rock, recover, quad, side, behind. Count for wall 7. 1, 2. 7 and 8 and The third restart happen wall 9, you will be facing 6 o'clock. Do 14 count, then restart the dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 14 count, then restart the dance. 1, 2. Last all 9 restart. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.